Besides not knowing where the hell I am, we're out here with 10th Special Forces Group, Green Berets. It's winter warfare time. We're doing some training. You want to be a Green Beret winter warfare guy? This is what you get to do. This is crazy. This is some cool right here.
You can trigger up to a D2, a large avalanche big enough to injure, bury, or kill a person.
That's training. My purpose here is to kind of get a feel for what these guys do, how many calories they burn, and how I can help them become better war fighters.
Chicken and dumplings.
Thank God for Tabasco sauce.
Yeah.
They have permission to enter the water.
You may enter the water. May I exit the water, sir? Permission to exit the water.
I'm Jason the Butcher. I just did the coolest in the world. It's cold, but it's life-changing. I gotta keep walking. I can't get medically in trouble. I'll see you guys in a few.